Okay. All right, so starting the recording for morning algorithms. We're going to go into groups here now. Okay. Thank you guys for coming back. We are going to present our answers. Let's go ahead and have a group present for answer number 1.
I'll do it.
Okay, thank you, Ron. If I did close a little fast, forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm just,
You want me to share my screen?
I thought everyone was done. Yeah, go ahead.
All right, so you guys can see both sides, right?
Yep.
Okay, so for lesson 1, the variable starts at 25 from right here. Then it goes a minus 13, which is 12. So the console log is 12 divided by 2. So the first one is 6. Then a gets changed to hello. The console log is hello plus hello. So it's 6 comma hello hello. Did everyone else get that?
Yep. Okay. Could we have another group present for question 2?
I guess I can do question 2.
Nice. All right. Let's see.
Right. I'll share this. All right. You see me?
I see it. Yeah.
Okay. So we got I. Okay, so I currently equals 0.
Check it out.
I 0 is less than 10, so we console log I to 0. I equals I plus 3, so now equals 3 plus plus for the for loop. So it's 4.
Okay.
4 is less than 10, console log 4. I plus 3, 7 plus 1 in the for loop. I equals 8, console log 8. And plus 3, 11 plus 1 in the for loop. I equals 12. 12 is not less than 10. Console log outside the loop plus the last value of I, which was 12. We should get outside the loop 12.
Okay. Yep. I understood all of that, but I didn't see the algorithm on the same page, so it's kind of hard to
Oh, my
follow
bad,
along.
my bad. It's on the other screen. There it is. And of course it cuts it off. My bad. Give me 1 second. We're gonna go to this.
So if you're sharing and you have 2 different screens that you want to share, if you hold control when you share, you can select both of them. And that's what I did to have both pop up at once.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know how to turn it off. Oh, we're on this screen now. Can you see this? You see this now?
We're looking at your music through YouTube.
Yeah. I messed up. Never mind. My bad.
Hey, if you pull up the
New share.
spreadsheet on the right side of the screen and pull up your internet thing on the left side of the screen, you can hold the control button and zoom out with just scrolling with your mouse.
Can you see
I can see
both
them now.
screens now?
I can see
Or-
them together. Yeah, the way you
Okay.
have it.
Okay, here we go. You want me to do it again?
Can you do it quickly?
Sure. All right, for loop, I equals 0. This is number 2 right here. I equals 0. 0 is less than 10. Console log 0. 0 plus 3 plus 1, 4. Console log 4. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 in the for loop is 8. Console log 8 plus 3 plus 1 outside the loop is the last value 12.
Okay. All right. Do we have any questions about how this one works? Did everyone get to this one? Did I close the groups before everyone answered them number 2?
Yeah.
I did this one.
Yeah,
My
we were
group got
just
here.
we're almost there. Yeah.
Okay, Joan, do we have any questions about this one, lesson 2?
No, not
Okay.
not for me.
Okay. All right. Now let's have a third group present for number 3.
That leaves me, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so here's our lesson 3, and our code is here. So we start by calling the function with this array of numbers 1, 3, 5. Initialize our sum at index 0 of that array of numbers, which is 1. And then we'll go through our loop left or right here. So our first I is 0, as indicated here. So our sum from up here starts at 1. Then we add array of numbers 0 to get sum equals 2, and log the current sum is 2. Then we increment it. Our I is now 1. Our sum is now 2. So then we're going to add array of numbers index 1, which is 3, to get 5. Log the current sum is 5. Increment our I. Add, sorry, what was I doing there? The sum at this moment is 5, so then we add index 2, which gets us our sum is 10, and then we increment 3, which takes us out of the loop, and then console log, the total is 10. So our output will be the current sum is 2, the current sum is 5, the current sum is 10, the total is 10. Which is not correct, but is what it will do. That's a very blank look, Josh.
No, I understand you've got it.
Okay.
I was just reading it. Sorry. Good job. I'm just wondering if was everyone else following that explanation? Was this too fast for Jones group? It didn't yet solve it.
I know how to do it. I guess.
Okay, go ahead and
It
Yeah,
just
I
doesn't-
followed it.
Yeah, it's just that while you were explaining, there was no reference to checking against the number of length and adding.
Okay. Okay. Well, we can do it again. We can, let's say, do it from scratch just to ensure how we do this.
Sure. So we take in our, you wanted me to do this, right, Josh?
Yeah, go ahead.
Or
Start
you-
it from
okay.
scratch. Yeah.
So we start by taking in our initial array, which is 1, 3, 5. Our sum at this point is going to be index 0 of that array, which is 1. Then we enter our loop, I equals 0. So we're going to be working with array index 0, which equals 1. Our sum then is going to change to be the initial sum up here plus array of numbers 0, which is 1. So our sum is going to be 2. With me?
Yes.
And console log the current sum is 2. Then we're going to increment. I'll stick that down here. Y is now equal to 1. So now we're going to be working with index 1, which is 3. So our sum is going to be whatever the sum was, which we get here, plus, and 1 is less than the length of the array, which is 3. 1 is less than 3, so we're still in our loop. Sum plus this index point is 2 plus 3 is 5. And we log that. And then we increment I. I is 2. 2 is less than 3, so we're still in our loop. Sum was 5. We want to add array of numbers index 2, which is 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Log that. Still with me?
Yep.
And then we increment it again. 3 is not less than 3. So we are out of our loop. And then we log. The total is the last value of sum, which is 10.
Okay.
Is that slightly slower, a little more clear?
A little more clear. I'll just leave more time to practice for all the groups. I'll make sure everyone's done next time. I can see how if you don't do it yourself, then you lose the value in it. So, okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and continue. We'll take a 15-minute break, then we'll start with our lesson on CSS. So I'm glad you guys still retained your ability to read through for loops, know when to console log, when to add. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get started with the day.